Here in the wooded grounds of the LucanSpaHotel, the competition is really intensifying. Who will crack and who will thrive under the pressure? Will it be Alison the Tiger Ty or Ulick Chicken Legs Colgan? Let the competition begin.
You're going down, Colgan.
Oh, I'm going down, all right.
Keep it clean.
I'm like an animal. It's in the blood.
And they're off. So a reminder of the rules and regulations. It's the first coordinator to set out 16 chairs puts the final chair at the ceremony table. Ulick is hoping to embrace his inner Rambo for this challenge. Ooh, Ulick has stumbled there. He's lost some time now. Oh, he's all over the shop. Alison's taken a slight lead. Ulick is still struggling in the heavy ground. Alison is definitely building up a lead now. Oh, Ulick is powering on through. And yes, they are neck and neck again. Oh, this is going to be down to the wire. It's going to be a nail-biting finish. Alison's got a heavy cough there and she is stuttering. Ulick is now in the lead. Oh, it's going to be down to the wire and it's Alison! Just in the nick of time.
You sabotaged my chair. It wouldn't open.
I declare the winner to be Alison the Tiger Ty by a technical knockout!
Woo!
And here comes the tantrum. And Alison is dancing. Nice to know that she's still modest and demure as always. And so it's Alison the Tiger Ty who retakes the lead in this ultimate battle. She now only needs one more victory to be crowned the best wedding coordinator of the LucanSpaHotel. Tune in next week for the napkin folding challenge to see if she can finish Ulick off.